Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started, don't forget our MissPlanIt roses are on sale now in our Amazon store, and with them comes a free ebook with over a dozen projects using our very own MissPlanIt roses. So if those of you who have already checked them out and told us how much you love them, we are so appreciative. And if you haven't checked them out, what are you waiting for? Get some and tell us what you think. Well, this week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Olita. And Olita is having a very special celebration. She is adopting a beautiful baby girl and is having a gotcha party. She selected the rainbow because she says I simply selected the rainbow colors because the rainbow represents a new beginning and the colors are bright and refreshing, just like her beautiful baby girl. So we combined two centerpiece ideas for this. One is a literal rainbow with the rainbow colored flowers. I'm so excited to show you how we created this beautiful rainbow celebration centerpiece for Olita and her brand new baby girl. Well, with that being said, let's get started. To add some height to our centerpiece, we're going to use this 12 by 4 inch cake foam, and we're going to cover it in some beautiful cloud paper. Now, of course, you can cover it in whatever paper you would like. You could even do it like in a glittery gold to represent the pot at the end of the rainbow, whatever you would like. But for this, we're going to use this cloud paper to place our beautiful rainbow on top of. Now that our base is covered, let's move on to our rainbow itself. So I took this 12-inch styrofoam disc. I'm going to simply cut it in half with my foam cutters, and then I am ready to attach the beautiful mini roses in various colors. Now that this side is complete, we're going to simply flip it over and repeat the pattern on the opposite side. Next, we're going to attach the rainbow to our base with some simple kitchen toothpicks. To complete our rainbow, we're going to attach nice and fluffy white hydrangeas as our clouds. As a wonderful option, you could attach glittery colored letters to spell out your beautiful child's name or whomever you're celebrating's name. In this case, I chose my daughter's nickname, which is Ari. Well, Olita, how did we do? I am so excited about the wonderful next step you are making. Children are an absolute blessing, and I feel absolutely privileged to be a part of your wonderful day with your new baby girl. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just simply click on that little bell right down in the corner and you will get a special notification from us the moment the videos are live. We so appreciate you hanging out with us. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to write them down right there in the comment section. It is me, moi, Miss Planet, who answers the questions. Now, it does take me a little time to get to them, but I promise you I will. And guess what? We have a wonderful community that if I'm taking a little bit too long, they are more than willing to help you, because it takes more than one person. It takes a village. If you would like, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It's so simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. It's absolutely free, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com for our fantastic digital downloadable DIY planning guides. We have one for weddings, we have one for parties, we even have one for your maid of honor. In addition to that, you'll find some other resources that we have there to help you create the vision, party, wedding, event of your dreams. So check it out. Click right there in the corner. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. Before we go, I want to remind you that you can click right there in the corner and get to our Miss Planet website, because we have so many additional free resources, as well as blog posts, as well as the written and picture instructions for all of our projects to give you that extra boost of confidence that you can absolutely do these yourself. So head on over there by clicking over the little icon or going down to the description to our website, MissPlanIt.com. We are so appreciative of you spending this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and so we do not take it lightly that you choose to spend it with us. We are just 5,000 subscribers, actually less than 5,000 subscribers away from having 100,000 subscribers. I am blown away by it. I so appreciate your support. It means more than you can imagine. So I just want to thank you for that. And always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care, you guys. See you soon. God bless.